Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's your favorite person, Cindy CJ. You guys, today is Halloween and my children will not let me rest. Like, these guys will not let me rest. They've been singing it like a song. Mommy, tomorrow is Halloween. Mommy, 2 days is Halloween. I don't even know how they know that Halloween is soon. Okay, maybe we go to shops, they see Halloween costumes everywhere in almost every shop we've gone to. So maybe that's how they knew it's Halloween. And sometime Halloween last year, yes, I can remember we saw a couple of children going from house to house, doing trick and treat thing, and they were like, Mommy, they want to do. I told them, don't worry. Maybe some other time, because I wasn't like, what even happened? Okay, like I wasn't ready for it because they told me they want to do that day of Halloween. That was last year. So I was like, we are not ready, we are not doing it. So but this year, hey, and the thing is that they've been on midterm break since this week. I don't even know how they knew. Well, like I said, I'm sure is in shops. The Halloween decorations is shops. That's how they knew that Halloween is by the corner. Yeah. So 2 days ago, yeah, Daisy reminded me again that Mommy, that she wants to go out for trick and treat. I said, okay, no problem, you will go. So today, while I was coming back from a meeting, I went for a work meeting. You guys say, I don't even know how I'm sounding. Like I've been under the weather, cold, catarrh, cough, everything has just been doing me at the same time. My nose is blocked. I don't even know how I'm sounding. If I'm sounding somehow, you guys, please, I'm under the weather. So when I was going out in the morning, she was like, Mommy, Halloween. I said, no problem. She even reminded me again 2 days ago. I said, no problem. So as I was coming back from the work meeting, I stopped by, yeah, I think that was in Poundland. Yeah, I stopped at Poundland and got some Halloween decorations and like basically Halloween makeup things and some unicorn whatever. So I want to dress up now. I want to change now and then go dress them up now, and we'll go to a few houses for Halloween. We knock a few houses. The thing is, I think that's how it's done. Houses that put up Halloween decoration, maybe pumpkin or any Halloween decoration, that's to tell you that they're interested in the Halloween thing. You can come there and knock and they'll give you some candy, some sweets, some chocolates, stuff like that. Yeah. So I will dress up now. Like I will change to something simple and dress them up now, and then we'll start going. And I also bought some candies, some sweets, some chocolate, because I didn't decorate my door because I'm not doing Halloween. I didn't decorate my door, but I believe some children might come and knock. So once they come, I'll give them some chocolate as well. And what again do I want? So I hear some people say Halloween is fetish, Halloween is this, Halloween is that. You know, concern me. I don't know. You know, concern me. The thing is that I believe they're not initiating them or what's it called? Initiating them into anything. The decoration, I'm the one that will decorate their face for them. So it's just for them to go around houses like trick and treat, trick and treat. They give them candy. I see it as fun, but I don't know. What do I know? So yeah, we are going now for the Halloween thingy, and in my street, I think it's just one house I saw that decorated the Halloween thing. So we'll go to like 3 or 4 streets away, but somewhat or somehow around as well. Yeah, so enough of the talk. Let's go and get them ready. And
Halloween time. So this is the makeup.
Like mommy.
Okay.
That's my makeup like muzzle.
Good makeup. This is the pants.
And the instructions.
Swallow what you have in your mouth.
I'm experiencing like a beautiful art.
Okay, let's put your unicorn on.
Yes, I look at you. No.
Woohoo!
When we opened the door.
Ooh, are you guys ready? Halloween girls.
I got it.
Alright, let's go.
When we go outside, we need to open the door.
So what do you want to do outside?
Scare everyone gets candy.
You want to get candy? So look at me. So look at me. All right, let's go. Open the door, please.
Smell my feet. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat.
I'll smell your feet. Are they like to have tattoos?
Yeah.
There's one each.
So say thank you.
Is there anything like that? Thank you.
Here you go, darling. And there's some sweets in there as well.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you look good.
Thank you. You know.
Go on then, your job. Princess, well done. Let them pick a couple. Let them pick a couple like their babes.
You pick by yourself. Thank you. Thank you. So take some.
I want this.
Thank you. You say thank you.
Thank you.
You too. Bye. They give you. You say thank you. Okay.
I said thank
Did you?
I said thank
Okay. You would.
Trick or treat.
Hello.
We get some treats for you.
Thank you. Ooh, thank you very much. That's a big one. It's okay. It's like, what have you guys gotten so far?
Candy and a tattoo.
Is that? Let me see. So guys, we have started our Halloween walk. Is it Halloween walk that is called? Okay, there's a house by there. So hold on. There's a Halloween stuff there. Yeah, we'll go to that house now. So we've just gone to a couple of houses and
There's a boy.
yeah, we've got a couple of houses and they're giving them candies and these kids, they're really enjoying this. They're really having fun. Are you having
There's a
fun?
boy skeleton. Put your paws on my hand.
Let's go. You're not scared? She's like, let's go.
Cute.
Huh? I'm so sorry.
So slimy.
Your costumes are so. You were so
Slimy.
Ooh, hold on. Ooh, this is scary. Ooh, wow. So we are back. We are back from our Halloween thingy.
Daddy, why did you not call us?
Ngwa, you should go to the parlor. Go to the parlor. So Ngwa, go. Let's pour our bag.
Halloween.
Halloween. They even do Halloween in the TV. Ooh, see Halloween in TV.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. But
Yes, go.
Candy.
That's lots of candies, girl. Like, why you do that candy that's sweet? What is this one?
It's stringy.
Shringy. So what is this one?
It's stringy.
Okay.
Let's open this now.
Do you think you're going to lick all this sweet today?
Don't open that one. Not that one.
Trick-or-treating this year. This is Promise, the Australian Shepherd. Getting on
Okay.
online for
So these are all these candies, the sweets, the toys, everything we got from our Halloween outing. Okay. Yeah, we also got temporary tattoo. Hello. Yeah, give that.
Thank you. Take one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Give me some food. Thank you.
Well, go on, have some. You can have some. All right.
Right, I like the ginger bear one.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
Bye.
just got one more.
Oh, okay. Go on, lovely.
Go on then.
Go on. You can give us some.
Go on, just get out one.
You just get our one.
Thank you.
All right. Bye. Bye. Guys, we are going to. Maybe are we going to Aldi?
Uh-huh.
Want to make banana bread? Can I talk? We want to make banana bread and we have all the ingredients, everything except baking powder and the banana. So we quickly want to go to Aldi now and grab the banana and start making the banana bread because the kids, they've been home since 1 week, midterm holiday. You guys, I'm not feeling fine. I'm under the weather. My nose is blocked. I don't know how I'm sounding. Baskets.
Let's get some baskets.
Let's grab it then. Let's go. Can you come, banana, babes?
Let's have this watermelon.
No, we are not buying watermelon.
Let's go.
You want again? Do you want to buy? We need to buy baking soda, yeah? So this baking powder, yeah? And baking soda.
Okay, let's go look at. Do it. Oh my.
Let's go.
The milk.
Go inside the car. Here you go.
Thank you, Mommy.
So guys, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
What are we going to be doing?
I'm going to make banana bread.
You're going to make what?
Banana
So
bread.
you're not talking. So you're making what?
We're going to make banana bread.
See your nose. Alright. So guys, we just got back from Aldi where we bought a couple of things that we'll be using to make the banana bread. They've been home since their midterm break. And fact is, this is our first time doing banana bread. You guys, if I'm talking or if I'm sounding weird, like I said, I'm having cold, cough, catarrh, everything.
This is purple.
And I promised them we are doing banana bread and they've been disturbing me since then. So we wear the cap.
And I'll wear the apron. I'll do it.
So guys, these are all our ingredients. We have our milk, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, our banana, our flour. This is the plain flour. This is the self-rising flour. I don't think we'll use this. This is what we'll be using. Salt, cinnamon, vanilla, some raisins. So this is egg and this is butter. We've already melted the butter. Yeah, so this is our bowl. Alright, I'll peel the banana. I'll give you use the masher and mash it down. So break it.
Okay.
Break it with my bit. And here you go, the masher.
Thank you.
Start mashing it down. Careful.
I don't want to eat.
So you've been a holiday, yeah? So what will you tell your teacher you did?
I made banana bread.
I know, right? Alright, let's put in the egg.
Where's the egg? Oh, there's it.
The melted butter. Give it a little bit stir.
Stir. Stir fast. Stir fast. I just want to taste a little bit. So good. Can I taste?
So what else? We put a vanilla essence.
How did you know? Vanilla essence?
Pour in the milk.
Don't drink it. Ooh, so bulky.
Sugar. Sugar coming through. Hold on.
Mama, I didn't taste the banana.
So here you go. Use your right hand.
So cute. So tasty.
Put it. Good stuff. Baking soda. Baking powder.
Pour it in.
Pour it in. That's the baking powder.
But, okay.
Just put a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
Again.
Some cinnamon powder. And the flour. Mommy, can I bite his tongue?
Ooh, that's nice, yeah? Guys, yeah, keep turning now. So we are going to put flour now, okay? this is our raisin. We put in some of the raisins. I'm supposed to pour the raisins in.
And now
Stop. I mean mix.
mix.
Slowly.
Oh, Panda wants to see.
Oh, it's okay. So this is our pan. Let's put some butter. We need to butter the pan, okay?
That's enough. That's enough.
So that's enough.
That's enough. Mommy.
You pour.
Oh, it's raining buttercream.
Alright. Hold on.
Hello.
You keep it here.
Here you go, banana.
And bake it.
Which for 15 items.
So guys, our banana bread is in the oven now. It will stay there a couple of minutes. I think 40 minutes or so because it's on high heat. Yeah, so when it's ready, I'll show you guys. Let's tidy up now. You also want to make maybe balls or something, yeah?
Maybe cupcake.
Cupcake. What do you make now?
Cupcake.
In fact, we'll make something else and we'll show. I don't think we're going to vlog that one because my phone capacity is almost filled up. Let's just do something quickly and you guys will see the end result. Yeah. Alright. So we are making something else. I think this is balls or I don't know. My banana bread is still inside the oven. I'll just put some of this stuff here and pop it into the oven. So yeah. Let's see our banana bread. Here we go. Woohoo! Let's just put this one at the back by here. So guys, our banana bread is coming together nicely. Yep.
I want to taste.
And it's very fluffy. Don't taste it. It's not yet ready. Chocolate. Let's check. Woohoo!
Wow! Cupcakes! Those cupcakes!
I don't know what they are, but they're coming out nice. This
Wow!
is ready. It's small. We would have made more. It's looking very small.
Oh, so cute. Mommy, oh, mommy, it looks like bang.
It's fluffy.
Fluffy.
It's
I want
small.
to touch.
And this one is
Fluffy.
cookie.
Mom,
I think it's
fluffy
cookie,
like-
but whatever it
it's
is. Can I talk? So this one is our cookie, whatever it is, whether cookie or I don't even know, but it's looking nice. Yeah. And fluffy. Oh.
Mommy, the banana bread is fluffy like a bed or a car. A car and a bed. I want to sleep on it.
Let's
This
see
one.
our banana bread.
Load off.
Hope our bread is not a flop.
Mom, give me one.
No,
Mom, give me one. Fluff.
we might need to let it get strong.
Yeah.
It's still. About.
I want this little baby one.
Hmm.
Can I eat this one? It tastes like a pie.
Yeah.
What about Daddy? That's not his.
So nice.
Oh. It
What?
tastes like that bounce raisins.
I know, right? So yummy. For first time trying is okay, just that it didn't rise up high enough. That's why it's looking short. But yeah, I'm glad we did it and the guests are happy they did.